The most common used phrasal verbs, Part 7. Advanced level. Settle down. Settle down. Definition: to become calm or less active. To become more stable or composed. Example sentences. The children eventually settle down after their sugar rush. Synonym: calm down. Show off. Show off. Definition: to bashfully display something. To brag about or flaunt something in a way that is considered arrogant. Example sentences. He was constantly showing off his new car. Synonym: brag. Sign up for. Sign out for. Definition: to register for something. To enroll in a program, class, or service. Example sentences. I signed up for a yoga class at the gym. Synonym: enroll. Sort out. Sort out. Definition: to deal with a problem or situation. To resolve an issue or organize something effectively. Example sentences. We need to sort out this mess before the guests arrive. Synonym: resolve. Take after. Take after. Definition: to resemble someone in appearance or personality. To inherit characteristics from someone else, often a parent. Example sentences. My daughter takes after her mother's artistic talent. Synonym: resemble. Talk down to. Talk down to. Definition: to speak to someone in a condescending way. To speak to someone in a patronizing or disrespectful manner. Example sentences. The teacher shouldn't talk down to his students. Synonym: condescend to. Think up. Think up. Definition: to come up with an idea. To devise or invent a new concept. Example sentences. The marketing team is trying to think up a new advertising campaign. Synonym: devise. Throw out. Throw out. Definition: to discard an idea, to reject or dismiss an idea or suggestion. Example sentences: the committee threw out several proposals before making a final decision. Synonym: reject, wind up, wind up. Definition: to end up in a particular situation, to find yourself in a certain state or location unexpectedly. Example sentences: we wound up getting lost on our way to the concert. Synonym: end up, bring in, bring in. Definition: to introduce or to earn money. Example sentences: the new policy brought in a lot of positive changes. Synonym: introduce. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.